our tray is ready to go. I add a bit of more vinegar in top. Salmon looks beautiful, very nicely cooked. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Reza, former scientist in area of the nutrition and born around 20 years, and last 7 years I'm working in pharma industry. The food we eat every day and amount of the food we eat has huge impact in overall health and well-being, and of course can influence us in the positive way and negative way. Today I want to show you really healthy and balanced food which you can prepare it around 1.5 hours and you can have it with your family and friend. This food basically is a roast vegetable and some mixed bean, and also we have as a protein I'm going to cook some salmon. Therefore, if you are interested to find how you can prepare this healthy and delicious food for yourself and your family, please keep watching. The ingredient we need: a few branches of the celery, zucchini, pumpkin, cauliflower, a can of the bean, capsicum, beetroot, sweet potato, a couple of mushroom, red onion, and a few carrots. To add a bit of a spice, grinded corn pepper or black pepper, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar and salt. I start to chopping those ingredients, and when I put in tray, you're gonna see how I'm gonna add our balsamic vinegar and olive oil. All of the ingredient is chopped in this bowl. I separate mushroom and capsicum since actually they require less time to get roasted. Those one are gonna put it for 45 minutes, and towards 20 minutes I add our mushrooms and capsicum. Also for beetroot, I put it in microwave and cover it and cook it for 2 minutes, and I'm gonna slice them to thinner section, and I'm gonna add 2 final ingredients in the tray. Then first things we're gonna add, I'm going to use a bit of vegeta and a bit of rock salt. So it's 2 teaspoons. And then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and some rock salt. Just gonna spread it 1. Then I'm going to add our basmati vinegar, and olive oil, be generous, and then mix them up. I'm happy with the mixing. I'm going to add them to tray. Meanwhile, I'm gonna slice those beetroots and the same kind of marinating our mushrooms and capsicum as well, but as I explained, I add them a bit later. Therefore, let's go and add them to the tray. Our tray is ready to go. I add a bit of more vinegar in top. And a bit of olive oil again. I preheat the oven in 200 degree and I'll leave it for 45 minutes. As our vegetable is roasting, I'm going to quickly marinate our salmon, which is a simple. Basically, we need garlic, we need vegeta. This is a lime juice, about 2 tablespoons, fennel seed, dill, and a chili flake. I'm using the garlic press. Adding our lime. One teaspoon, actually 1.5 of vegeta. 1 teaspoon of the chili flake, and grind the fennel seed. 1 teaspoon. And one thing I forgot to say, you need to add some olive oil. I'm going to add some olive oil. Just mix them. I will cover them with Glad wrap and leave it in fridge for 15 minutes. Then I'll put them in a now it's half an hour past. I'm going to take the roast vegetable out, add our mushroom and capsicum now. Oh, looking good. Now we're going to put our fish in air fryer. Alright, I put the fish skin up because I don't want to get too dry, and some people that like to eat the skin as well, therefore I make it crispy. Therefore I put them in a tray and I put it in the middle part, and basically air fry. I put it in the fish, which takes 180 degrees for 10 minutes, and we start. And by the time this is finished, hopefully our vegetable also going to be ready for putting it together. 4 minutes to end of the cooking of salmon. So the skin is nice and crispy. Gonna turn it around to crispy other side as well. You don't have to do it, but I think that's gonna make it, so I don't want to bend this side. Just put it back, and hopefully by then our fish ready. Now is the time to take our vegetable out. I turn off the oven. Just put it in the plate, and we're going to see it together next stage. Our salmon looks beautiful, very nicely cooked. I'm going to put it next to our plate and serve it. I'm going to use that for a bean mix. Get rid of the water, and I will crumble some feta cheese in top of our vegetable as well. I'm going to add the beans here. Just crumbs for the cheese. Good. Crack black pepper. All. Lovely. Now I'm going to add some of them to my plate with the salmon. I just had that lovely food with my family. It's really tasty and it's quite filling, and you feel not heavy, but you're quite satisfied. I hope you try that food as well and you make it with your family and friend. And if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget give it a thumbs up. I want to thank you again for joining me, and until next video, look after yourself, be active, eat healthy, and be curious. Bye for now.